Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this live stream is going to focus on 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. Our first example problem is 374 times 9, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. Now when it comes to 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication problems, I want you to think of it as 3 separate single-digit problems where you regroup anytime our product is 10 or more. So we start out in the ones place. We're going to multiply 4 times 9. If you're not able to do single-digit multiplication in your head, I would definitely recommend getting a multiplication chart. Fluently being able to multiply single-digit numbers makes these type of problems a lot easier. But 4 times 9. Here we go. 4 times 9 equals 36. Now, because our product is more than 10, 36 is more than 10, we have to regroup. So the 6 and 36 goes in the ones place. The 3 and 36 gets carried over to the tens place. 7 times 9 equals 63 plus 3 equals 66. So the 6 and 66 goes in the tens place. The other 6 and 66 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 3 times 9 equals 27, plus 6 equals 33. Remember to add the number that you carried over. That's very important. And we have our final answer. 374 times 9 equals 3,366. All right, moving on to the next example problem. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Shout out to Mr. C. All right, next example problem we have 419 times 5. So we start in the ones place. 9 times 5 equals 45. 5, carry the 4. 1 times 5 equals 5, plus 4 equals 9. Now, we do not need to regroup in the tens place because our product is less than 10. We only regroup when our product is 10 or more. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm. Four times 5 equals 20. And we have our final answer. 419 times 5 equals 2,095. All right, moving on to the next example problem. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Shout out to Mr. C. All right, 749 times 7. So we start in the ones place. I'm going to make my equal sign so it's a little less slanted here. All right, 9 times 7 equals 63. Again, our product is more than 10. 63 is more than 10, so the 3 and 63 goes in the ones place. The 6 gets carried over to the tens place. Anytime our product is 10 or more, we will need to regroup. 4 times 7 equals 28. 28 plus 6 equals 34. So again, regrouping is needed. The 4 and 34 goes in the tens place. The 3 and 34 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 7 times 7 equals 49, plus 3 equals 52. And we have our final answer. 749 times 7 equals 5,243. All right, moving on to the next example problem. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Shout out to Mr. C. All right, we have 828 times 4. Next example problem. All right. So we start in the ones place. 8 times 4 equals 32. 2, carry the 3. 2 times 4 equals 8, plus 3 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 8 times 4 again equals 32, plus 1 equals 33. And we have our final answer. 824 times 4 equals 3,312. All right, be sure to tune in for what will probably be the final example problem of the video. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Shout out to Mr. C. Make this a little neater. Next example problem. We have 948 times 7. So, starting in the ones place, 8 times 7 equals 56. 6, carry the 5. 4 times 7 equals 28, plus 5 equals 33. 3, carry the 3. 9 times 7 equals 63, plus 3 equals 66. And we have our final answer. 948 times 7 equals 6,636. That is my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.